You ready to see this? This is awesome. All right, we are on a road trip to New Jersey. It's Tiny House Weekend! I can smell the ocean! A biker with a death wish. To the boardwalk in Ocean City. We ate lunch at the Bashful Banana Bakery and Cafe. It was awesome. Oh my god, like awesome veggie burger, had hummus on it. They had a Mediterranean bowl. They put tofu in it to make it vegan. And then they have banana whip, which is basically banana ice cream. It's a whipped up banana, and then you put whatever toppings you wanted on it. We did strawberry and vegan chocolate chips, which is basically dark chocolate. So good. Today's news in New Jersey. Traffic was backed up due to a lot of bikers. And not the fun ones with beards and leather jackets. No, the ones in tight shorts. All right, we are 2 minutes away from our tiny house. I'm super excited. Are you excited?
Very excited.
We have arrived at the tiny house. Hi, we are Souls Gone Wild, and we are staying at a tiny house in Ocean City, New Jersey. And we went to the beach and had lunch first before we came because we couldn't check in until 3 o'clock. And so my feet were covered with sand, which this outdoor shower was perfect for. Absolutely love this feature that the outdoor showers out here. Perfect for being right by the beach. You go, you get dirty with the ocean water, come rinse off right before you go into the tiny house. All right, so this is a double loft tiny house. My favorite feature so far is the couch. I think I'm gonna actually find this couch for our tiny home because it has storage and it can become a spare bed. So I love this couch. I honestly, like, we were talking about building our couch for our tiny house. I think I'm gonna try to find this couch to buy and put in our tiny house because this is just awesome. This space is just super homey. I love it. I love this dining space. The only thing I would change about it is have a window here because you're kind of staring at a wall, but it still works. It's great. I love it. Kitchen. The sink is huge. Love, love, love this sink. It is huge. I want this ginormous sink. And then they've got like a cooktop, very simple. You could like stow it away and have more counter space. Have a barn door bathroom.
Well, show them the rest of the kitchen. Microwave up top.
Yeah, well, you can see. It's kind of
refrigerator.
A full refrigerator. This shocked me that they got a full refrigerator in a tiny home. And then the bathroom, I'm just gonna step in and then let the camera speak for me in sense of like how this looks, because it's so great. Like, I love this vanity. This is a huge vanity for a tiny house bathroom. and it's just beautiful in here. I love the shelves. And in the shower, there's even a tiny tub. Look at this. And this was brilliant. They got this little board here so you can like sit down and shave your legs. This is just too cool. Love this. And you want to just soak your feet. Like, I love this. I love this little board. This was brilliant. Where are you going? Cat.
We got
a pantry. I do kind of like this, that the stairs was used for storage. Got a spot for the trash can. It's pretty nice. Got some storage down here. They have a tiny ironing board. That is the smallest ironing board I've ever seen in my life. That is just too cool. Now, for the second floor.
There's more storage.
No, there's not.
Or,
Okay, the closet. Small closet, but that's cool. We put our coats in it, no biggie. Little cupboards, put our cooler in. More little cupboards. It's pretty cool. Like it. Dun, 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 dun. Now, I am 6 foot tall. I'm a tall person, so this is a little bit challenging for me. Because I'm so tall. So I'm good to, you know, this isn't too bad to crawl up. I have to do this to fit it. I can't really sit up unless I'm like against the wall. Like I have to be right here before I could sit up. So yeah, fun. Yeah, I'll let you demonstrate climbing into a loft over there.
so, that's really not bad. There's, the way this one's facing is different, so it feels like you got like more headroom. How's it going on over there?
It's all right. So I sleep over here. You sleep over there?
Excuse yourself? I got a fan right here. I got these windows. This is just shaded.
All right, let's see me try to climb out of this thing.
By the way, that's the mini split. That's heating and cooling.
Right, and that's cool. It's a good thing they've got this rail here, because I would probably just go. I concur with the decision we made not to do the loft.
Alright, so this is the first day that we're staying at the tiny house. So this is in Egg Harbor Township in New Jersey. It's about 15 minutes from Ocean City and then 30 minutes from Atlantic City. But yeah, this the location of this tiny house and the tiny house itself is awesome. This is a 28-foot on a 28-foot trailer, and the size is great. Like this is like there's plenty of space. It feels really good to be in. The trailer that we're going for is a 24-foot trailer, so it'll be a little bit smaller. It'll fit everything we need, but it'll just be more tighter. But yeah, we're kind of like thinking about, okay, like, you know, would we want that extra 4 feet, or should we, you know, but it's, you know, once you go that extra 4 feet, that's basically, yeah, it's basically another axle. So you have 3 axles.
So I just took a shower in the tiny tub. Love it. Love the tiny tub. Actually considering making our bathroom a little bit bigger so that we can fit the tub in there, because it would be good for washing the dog, and and the board that they put in there to like sit on and shave your legs. And then it's a little bit extra space. I would just make the ceiling higher because I am 6 foot tall and my head was like barely, like it was making me an inch above my head washing my hair. So that was a little close. But the tankless hot water heater is excellent. We were talking about going tankless because it's smaller It can attach easier, and you have almost endless hot water. Wouldn't say completely endless hot water, because near the end of the shower it did start to cool off a little bit, but I think that was just because I was in there a while.
Alright, so we're heading to the beach right now. It's our first night in the tiny house. So we realized that the bed we slept in the loft, in the main, I guess, master loft, was actually a king-size bed. It was nice. Do you agree?
I agree. I just don't think I don't think we can fit it in our house.
We can fit it in our house. Huh?
It's still cold.
Huh. We're about to head out. We're gonna head home, and gotta go back to work, walking dogs, running a business. But the tiny house experience is pretty cool. I think we're a little spoiled because this is a 28-foot trailer. So it's like 4 feet of extra space, and we're gonna get when we build ours.
It's really nice. Like, you should come check it out. Like, I highly recommend this just for like a weekend, 2 weeks. Like, you want to come for like your vacation, I highly recommend this place. Like, it's quite an experience. It's comfortable. It's awesome.
Yeah, whether you're into tiny houses, this is a great place. This is located like 15 minutes from Ocean City, New Jersey. They have beach tags, so even if you're not really into the tiny house movement or whatever, just is a great place to just come by and stay. And then the kind of location is kind of secluded, and then you can head out to the beach. But yeah, this is a really cool tiny house. There's definitely things we're going to take away from it and use for our tiny house. Cool. Thanks for watching.
See you later.